How to track TikTok shop payments. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In order to track TikTok shop payments, what you need to do is simply follow these steps. So first thing, tracking a TikTok shop payment depends on whether you are a customer checking a purchase or a seller's affiliated tracking. You earn and pay out. So if you are a customer, then what you would do is just go to your profile on your TikTok app, then tap the profile at the very bottom, then tap the menu from the top right corner. You go to settings and privacy and locate order sections. Under the order section, you could see all your purchase category, and you could also see the status like to pay or dispatch or delivered, something like that. Once the item is shipped, you can find the tracking number within the order detail to monitor its real-time progress as well. And if you are a seller, then seller can track the financial transactions and expected payout through Seller Center. So open up TikTok Seller Center. Then you need to go ahead and navigate to Finance and locate Payout. Here you can see the status of your payment, such as progressing, usually takes about 1 to 3 working days, and for that paid or failed. And you could also go ahead and look for the settlement period. Be aware that the standard settlement period is typically 15 days after the order is delivered to customer before the funds are available for payout. And you could also earn the recording for a detailed breakdown of specific orders and adjustment to Go Finance. For that, just go to Finance, go to Withdrawal, History, and Earnings. That's how you can go ahead and track TikTok shop payments. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.